staring at a sun that she just can't touch. If at any time he's in a jam, she'll be by his side, but he doesn't realize he hurts her so much. But all the praying just ain't helping at all, 'cause he just seemed to keep himself out of trouble. So he goes out and he makes his money the best way himself. Another body laying cold in the gutter. Listen to me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Little Precious has a natural obsession for temptation, but he just can't see. She gives him loving that his body can't handle, but all he can say is, babe, it's good to me. One day goes and takes a glimpse in the mirror, but he doesn't recognize his own face. His health is fading and he doesn't know why. The letters took him to his father's days. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. I see a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms are gonna leave it a trace, and I got anger. Is that because my life is 10 shades of grey? I play on 10 fade away, so replace it for the sunny days. And like his promise is true, only my fate can undo. The many chances are blue to bring my life to a new clear blue and unconditional skies. I've got the tears from my eyes and my lonely cry eyes. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Oh, hey, Matt! Woo! Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast.
Yeah. Fan, vad fett.